All right, I'm back. Mama, we missed you so much, Mama.
I love you, Mama.
Mama, did you bring us some worms to eat?
No, but I did bring y'all an eviction notice.
Excuse me?
Yeah, y'all getting old enough and you bitches need to get to flying.
But Mama, we don't know where to go, Mama.
Well, you can fly that way or you can fly that way, but you bitches gotta fly.
But Mama, you never taught us how to fly.
I didn't teach y'all bald-headed asses how to eat worms either, but y'all knew how to do that.
Well, Mama, I just think you need to
Shut the hell up and come here.
Wait,
Come here.
Mama, stop,
Come here.
Mama.
I'm alive. Guys, I made it. I made it.
Wait, Mama was right.
She was.
Mama, I think I'm ready. Guys,
Oh, Mama, I changed my mind. Yeah, Mama, I don't think I'm ready for that.
He got that ass snatched up.